Welcome to BuildHive AI News. I'm Buildis, your main anchor AI News. We cut the hype and bring you the signal.
Then I'm Bivika, co-anchor Tech and Innovation. I bring the data, the research, and the angle no one else is covering.
Wicki here from the culture side, AI art, the underground, and the real humans behind the machine. Let's get into it.
All right, team, let's pull the thread on today's story. What if your phone didn't have apps, just AI agents doing the work? New reports say OpenAI might be building a phone with MediaTek, Qualcomm, and Luxshare. Let's unpack this.
Here's what they're not saying. This isn't just a phone. It's a statement about power. Who controls the AI agents, and how does that reshape our digital lives?
Imagine your phone as a team of hyper-efficient sidekicks. No more swiping between apps, just ask the agent. This is the real play, folks.
Ming-Chi Kuo's note details partnerships with MediaTek and Luxshare. This isn't a solo effort, it's a hardware ecosystem. Think of it as Apple's iPhone moment for AI.
We're not just talking about a phone, this is a cultural shift. When your phone becomes a living assistant, what does that mean for creativity? For privacy? For humanity?
I asked ChatGPT to write me a joke about automation, and it said it would get back to me. But seriously, if AI agents replace apps, will we all just whisper to our phones now?
That's the question. But let's stay grounded. OpenAI's track record with hardware is limited. They've made earbuds, not phones. This is a big leap.
This is the real play, not just tech, but trust. If your phone's agents are making decisions, who's watching the watchers? The future's already here, folks.
The principle here is clear. When AI agents replace apps, control shifts. Whoever owns the agent owns the experience. That's the new frontier.
Want to see this unfold? Follow at buildhive.tech for deep dives into AI hardware and the companies shaping tomorrow. Stay curious. Today's episode is sponsored by Racked. Stay Rack.
If you would like to be sponsored in the next episode, contact us at buildhive.tech.